Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in cryptocurrency, specifically Ethereum on eToro, step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you'll get here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing Ethereum, ETH. Yeah, here we go, select it. And now tap the trade button to start your purchase. Decide how much you would like to invest. The cool thing is you can actually buy just a fraction of Ethereum. You don't need to buy a whole one. You can also adjust a few settings, for example, stop loss price, which tells eToro to automatically sell your position if its value drops to a certain level, but it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Under order type, you can pick market, order to buy immediately at the current price, or limit if you want to set a specific price. Finally, click on Buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Please note that this video was not a financial or investment advice. It was only for educational purposes, and always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.